You have a poverty mindset, and you don't even know it. You were raised around people who couldn't see the forest for the trees, who never believed that next level success was achievable, that next level success was attainable. You can't overcome that. You can't take your misery and turn it into history. And I speak from experience, because I was born and raised in the grimy. I was born and raised in the gutter. I was born and raised in a place that people never thought success could come from. So I feel your pain, but I flipped it. I made the choice. I made the decision to become somebody, because I am somebody. And guess what? You are somebody too. I know the world might have dealt you a bad hand in life, but we all love a great comeback story, and we all root for the underdog. So I need you to climb from up under that rock and understand that you are the rock. And I need you to start walking with success. I need you to start feeling that success. I need you to breathe success. I need you to believe success. I need you to receive affirmation of success. I need you to achieve success. See, success doesn't come to you. You go to it. It's all mental though. See, what I had to do is take the necessary steps to put myself in a position to achieve my desired outcome. See, right now, you're doing something, and that something is leading you to some level of success. Now I need you to ask yourself, will the level of success you achieve be what others perceive as failure? Or will it be what others perceive as success? The choice is yours. I need you to put your mind, I need you to put your heart, I need you to put your soul. No. I need you to pour your mind. I need you to pour your soul. I need you to pour your heart into every little thing you do. I mean the smallest of acts. Because that is the secret of success. The great Dr. Eric Thomas said, you gotta wanna succeed as bad as you wanna breathe. So I need you to breathe the success. I need you to live the success. I don't need you looking back. I don't need you looking ahead. I need you 10 toes down, one step at a time. I need you to come up with a plan, and I need you to execute that plan. And I need you to revise when things don't go the way that you want them to go, and start again. Execute, execute, execute. You are the success. I don't care what your mama said. I don't care what your daddy said. I don't care what your brother said. I don't care what your sister said. I don't care what your cousin said. Success is yours for the taking. It's your God-given right. So many of us never achieve that next level success because we fail to believe that it's for us. But it's for us by us. But if we don't chase that dream, it's impossible for us to catch it. You are success personified. Just in your heart of hearts, you gotta believe it. And every word in this video I'm saying, you gotta receive it. I'm your affirmation. Success is yours for the taking. And all you gotta do is go grab it. This is a great day to win.